In this session, we are going to see about how to construct a simple circuit in order to verify Kirchhoff's current law. The same process, just type MathWorks in the Google and enter, and it will show you the MathWorks link. Just click on the first link, MathWorks, and it will direct you to the home page of the MathWorks. And here you can see the MATLAB button. You have to log in first or sign in, and just click on this MATLAB button. Click on MATLAB. Now open MATLAB Online. Just click on Open MATLAB Online. Now click on Home and just create Simulink model. The Simulink model, just create a model, blank model. Maximize. Now save the file, simulation, and then save. As you can save it, save this as KCL, which is current law underscore triple K. Like this, I am saving. Now save, and now it is saved. Now to construct a circuit, here we need DC voltage source. Just click on an empty space and type it as DC voltage source. And under foundation library, you have to choose the element under foundation library. Therefore, the second element, DC voltage source. And here I am using three resistors to construct a current law circuit. That is resistor 1, three resistors, using three resistors as well as in order to make two mesh. Okay. Once again, I am copying the resistor. Controller, this is common resistor for second mesh, and third resistor I'm connecting this fashion. And I need, since it is a current law, I need to measure current. So I have to insert current sensors for each branch, that is each resistor branch. Here I have to include a current sensor. And then once again here I have to include a current sensor. Just Control R, like this you have to include. And here I have to include a current sensor. Like this you have to connect. This is the way you have to connect the circuit. And close the circuit. Okay, this is a simple circuit I am constructing. If you want, you can add some more resistors or inductors or capacitors you can add in order to verify KCL, or you can add DC voltage source here also. Okay, here also you can add. You can add DC voltage source here also. Okay, for example, I am constructing a simple circuit. So like this I am constructing. Now solver configuration, and then electrical reference. Now Setting the electrical reference here and solve our configuration to electrical reference. And now I have to convert the PS to Simulink converter not to connect display. Okay, this is, let me say this is current, okay, current I1. Okay, like this I can mention this is I2 and this is I3 I can represent. Here also another PS to Simulink converter and here also another PS to Simulink converter. Now I have to add display. Okay, here I have added display in the same display here. Can leave some space in the same display here. Okay, here you can represent the current I suffix I underscore 1. Why? Because the element with same name cannot be accepted. Okay, therefore, I have mentioned I underscore 2. This is I underscore 3. This is a simple circuit I have constructed. Once again, you can add annotations in the top. Okay, which of current law like this you can add using MATLAB Simscape. You can add like this. You can choose your own font style and you can fix it or you can still increase the font size as well as you can bold, you can change the color to blue and you can center like this. You can do all annotations functionality in this here to this like this. You can represent a verification of Kirchhoff's current law. You can add verification outside. Verification of Kirchhoff's current law like this. You can add. This is a simple circuit for verifying Kirchhoff's current law. Or you can insert some values. 15 volt like this I am entering. And for resistor I am mentioning 3 ohm and here it may be 2 ohm and here it may be once again 5 ohm. Like this you can mention. Now you can save and once again click on simulation and you can run the simulation. Keep the stop time as 10 seconds and you can run the simulation. Now the simulation will run. It will show you the current measurements. Okay, for I1, I2, I3. That is I1 is the mesh current. Okay, first mesh current and I2 is the second mesh current. I3 is the common branch current. Okay, common branch for mesh 1 and mesh 2. Okay, which is I1 minus I2. Okay, like this, it will show you the current value. This is I1, this is I2, and this is I3 in ampere. Okay. Once again, I have also given the ready-made circuit which is available in the file exchange. I have given the uh, link, that is the file exchange link in the description. You can include, you can just directly click on the link and where you can click the open in MATLAB Online. It will directly open and where you can, I will open MATLAB Online. It will directly open the simulation, the full completed simulation. Or you can change the values of DC voltage source and you can see the performance of the circuit for different voltage as well as for for different voltage and fixed resistance, as well as for variable resistance and then fixed voltage. You can check the performance. Okay, this is the current law circuit. The same circuit you can construct. That is for verifying Kirchhoff's current law using MATLAB Simscape using physical components. These are the physical components. The physical components are generally represented in blue color, whereas the black color components are almost Simulink components. Okay, thank you.